Hello peeps, welcome back. It's your girl Natasha Nicole here with another vlog. So this time we are actually going somewhere. We got somewhere to be. It is currently exactly 8 p.m. I have a flight to New Jersey at 6 a.m. So I need to get to Atlanta, but first I need to get my hair done. I'm about to install a new wig. This is just like how I wear my hair to work, which I'll probably do a video on this too because everybody's going crazy over the headband wig, which is something I've been doing forever. Like, you can do that without buying a headband wig, like literally. So stay tuned for that because I'm gonna tell you all about that. But anyway, right now we're looking a little bit crazy. I just got off from work. Honestly, I am tired. I am exhausted. I have worked all week. Today is Friday. Monday is Labor Day, so I decided to take an extra few days and actually go somewhere with my friends. They was like, you got Labor Day plans? I was like, what y'all thinking? And it was like, New Jersey. I was like, okay. Like literally a couple of days ago. So this is like a spur of the moment trip. My son is with my grandmother. My boyfriend will be home. So yeah, but right now they are on their way to my house. But they won't get here till probably about 11 or 12 because, of course, I'm closer to Atlanta. So, yeah. So right now, we're about to go get in the tub, shave our legs and shave our arms. And then we're going to put on this beauty. Let me show y'all her. So, this is her. You can't see. It's kind of dark. But this is her. I have plucked her. I have, you know, I flat ironed her back, or not flat iron, but so pause. I'm gonna take you back right quick. I'm gonna show you how this wig looked when I first received it. We're gonna do an unboxing, the bleaching of the knots, the plucking, all of that, sweetheart, all of that. Everything that I did to get this wig ready for installation. So if you wanna see it, then keep on watching the video. So what's good, y'all? Hey, welcome. This probably won't be the intro to this video, but listen, this is my new hair that I just received from WINGIRL hair. So I just wanted to basically like open it on camera so y'all can see what it looks like. I'm trying not to cut it up. We're not gonna mess this wig up. She gonna be okay. Just try not to even cut the bag because I don't even know what's in here. Oh, it's got a cute little bag. All right, so whenever you open up your package, it comes in this, and it says WINGIRL hair. So it's well protected, shipped well. Customer service was amazing. My son is on my phone, so I will probably leave the specs to this hair down below. I believe it was like a, I honestly don't remember. I don't remember. Hopefully it's something in here. But anyway, open it up. I don't know. I did buy a frontal this time just because we can see what a frontal look like because I'm trying to buy new wigs. Okay, and it's wrapped up again. And it came with a lot of little goodies in here. Came with the wig cap. Thank you, note. We appreciate you chose to follow our, well, whatever. You know they can't type English well. Oh, please forgive me. I'm just saying it's always all over the place. And then they sent some lashes, and they don't look bad either. They actually look kind of cute. So we'll try those. I do like this hard case that it's in, so that's a great travel lens case, actually. Okay, so what, man? So anyway, this is what the hair looks like. And this, I do remember I ordered this 220% density because I felt like my Alley Pearl wig was 180% density. I was like, no. And this, I can tell you right now, feels amazing. Oh yes, oh yes. It looks like, yes. Cap size looks good, yes, yes. The color of the lace is like blending into my, y'all. I'm so excited. I think I'm just gonna turn this into like a vlog. I want to do like an unboxing, but I want to put her on tomorrow. Now I want to like dye her and everything. And I just did body wave this time. This looks like this is gonna be bomb. And it's got, let me tell you some more. So it's got 3 combs on the inside. It does look like where you could possibly do the whole up thing in the back, but we ain't gonna do that, you know. I ain't about that life. But I'm so excited to try her on. So we're gonna bleach her and everything, but I just wanted to open this package up on camera. Like, they don't know that I do YouTube, so. What's up, bud? Thank you. Close the door. Okay, so now that I have my phone back, I can tell y'all a little bit more about the wig right quick. And I'm sorry, I'm just all over the place. I just got off from work, but I was so excited to open this. I've had it for now for like 3 or 4 days because it shipped pretty fast. It wasn't a long time. They reached out to me a couple of times, so that's bomb. So this is, oh, come on now. Okay. So this is, I bought this hair off of Amazon and I paid, we're gonna figure out how much I paid in just a second. But I bought this wig off of Amazon. It says a lace front human wig, pre-plucked hairline, which it does. I forgot it said that. I guess it is kind of pre-plucked, but you gotta do a little more to it. Jesus. Okay, can we finish this video? Okay, so pre-plucked hairline. This one you had the choice to get it thicker. I got the 220% density, and I got 18 inches, and I paid $136. Did I pay $136? We gonna see. But anyway, some more about this hair. It shipped within, I think I got it, I ordered it, I don't remember what day I ordered on, but I ordered it and it came within like 4 or 5 days. So yeah, it's Brazilian body wave. Your cap size is 22.5 inches, which is good because that's the problem I ran into with my Alley Pearl wig. I feel like it wasn't big enough. It was like just right. Half machine made and half hand tied. Lace wig type, 220% density. Handcrafted Remy human hair, so it's not all the way virgin, but it can be dyed, colored, straightened, curled, whatever. And it has a Swiss lace, natural hairline, flexible design part, all that 13x4 lace. So anyway, this is the hair. I like it, so we're gonna put her on tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow, so I will see y'all tomorrow and we will get to styling her and actually see what she look like. I'm so excited. But anyway, I'm going to bed right now because I'm tired, so peace. So here I am showing you everything you need to bleach your knots. I use 30 volume developer. You need a bowl, a little spatula. I do use the red color correcting drops along with the BW bleach. You need a purple shampoo to take out that brassiness and a neutralizing shampoo. And of course I'm using the WINGIRL hair. This hair, honestly, it was good because by the time you put foundation on it, you didn't really have to bleach the knots, but I just went ahead and did it. Very light bleaching. And so when I bleach my wigs, I usually use about 2 scoops. You just want to kind of measure that off. You want to get it to a good thick consistency. You don't want it too runny where it's going to bleach the hair on the wig. You just honestly want to sit it on top of the knots. Add your color correcting drops. Just whatever. And I do the whole Dairy Queen thing. If I can flip it upside down and that bleach ain't coming out, boo, then I know it's ready. Then I know she ready. So I'm just using just a plastic knife just to spread that all over. As you can see, I am doing this with a very light hand too, so I'm not like pressing too much. But then sometimes, like by the time I was finished doing this, I felt like I could have pushed down a little bit harder, but I'd rather not bleach, you know what I mean? So now I'm just showing you how I'm doing a little bit of plucking. As you can see, the hairline was already pre-plucked, so I really didn't have to do that much. And you could tell, like, you know, just a little bit here and there just to kind of customize it. And that's all the hair that I pulled out, which is not a lot. So that just shows I didn't, you know, overplug. And this is what she looks like after she's all dry. And I'm liking it. It looks good. It just looks realistic. I just want to get rid of that harsh line. And I achieved that. So, yeah, she looking right. So now the fun part. We're going to install this hair. Of course, I'm using my wig grip because, man, listen. I have to have that on. It's like a habit now. So as I'm putting this wig on, it is blending with my skin perfectly. I did use some makeup as well. And I'm just using the Got to Be Glued spray. Aaliyah's Face always uses this spray. And I'm not the type to like, you know, to wear glue on my hair. But I never have either. So I'm not saying I won't ever wear glue. But I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it out one day. And I'm just, you know, I, of course, cut it into like 5 different sections. And you just want to, you know, just work in sections because it's so much easier. And then you're just going to cut that lace off, baby. And pray for a melt. Pray for a meltdown. So as you can tell, it's blending flawlessly with my skin. And you can tell that I'm just kind of like pulling it up to where I need it to be. Because I kind of over sprayed just a little bit. Just so I knew like the very front was very well glued down. I didn't have to go back and touch up. That's what I didn't want to do. And so, yeah, you're just going to finish cutting this lace off. And keep it moving. And you're probably wondering what kind of scissors I'm using. These scissors actually came with a wig that I bought prior. I don't even know who it was. But it's like these little cute little cutters. But it's really easy to use. If I'm not using those, then I'm using like a razor. Eyebrow razor. So now I'm just taking the time just to do a few baby hairs. I'm not being too particular. I'm just gonna let y'all watch this just because I can't explain. You know, I'm just pulling out a few. I always end up doing too much. I be wanting to like do the non-baby hair look, but it don't look realistic to me. So just take your time with cutting your baby hairs. Don't cut too much too soon. Just do a little bit, you know, slick it down, see what it looks like. Is it gonna swoop the way you want it to? If not, then you can go back and cut. That's how I do my baby hairs, and they turn out cute. So now we're just gonna wrap her up so, you know, we can get some melting going on, get those baby hairs like really, really laid or whatever, make them all cute. And so now that I have the wig on, I actually wanted to cut it because it just seemed a little straggly at the ends. I just really wanted like a blunt cut. I just wanted like really thick, full, healthy looking hair. So by just trimming the ends just slightly, it really gave me that look. And I love how full it is at the bottom. Don't pay my boyfriend any attention in the background. He always in my videos. So, you know what I mean? But whatever. I'm just taking a flat iron and just straightening the hair as much as possible. I was actually getting ready to get on my flight, so I really wasn't too worried about it. It was like 11 o'clock at night. And the thing is, I received this hair like weeks before this. So this was all over, you know, a time frame. I just end up having somewhere to go. And I was like, yes, I got a new wig. So here she is. She looked good or whatever. Baby hair is laid. And I love this wig so much. Like, this hair is phenomenal. I'm not lying. Like, y'all seen when I was unboxing it. Like, it was so soft. So this hair is just, like, thick and full. And it's just pretty. So I really didn't take the time to actually pluck out my part. Only because I wasn't sure. This is my first time wearing it. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it in the side part. But the whole time I was in New Jersey, I did keep it in the side part. So you can go through and pluck that part out and it'll look even more realistic. But I just didn't, because I didn't feel like messing up the hair and none of that. And I'm just taking my flat iron and just pressing it out, making sure that, you know, it's going the direction that I want it to so that it can lay cute and flat. Flat, flat, flat. That's the word of this video. Flat. You want everything flat. And here we go. She looks good. Of course, you can tell, like, once I put some curls and everything in it, it's going to be so bomb. But I was just in a hurry. I really didn't care. I was going to sleep on the plane. I had to sleep that night. So I just didn't want to style it and knowing I was going to bed later. you know, I had a late flight. I was getting there first thing in the morning. So I was like, when I take a shower, when I get to New Jersey, I'll do something to my hair. So overall, this is how it turned out. And I think it's absolutely adorable. I love this hair. WINGIRL hair. Y'all have got to go check that link out down in the description box. Because, baby, listen, you need this hair. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog / whatever. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And next time, peace.